Hi everyone, this is Leo, software engineer at Carbonfact, and today I'm very excited to introduce our new factories feature. As you probably know, when it comes to carbon footprint calculation, knowing where your products are manufactured, meaning in which country, even better in which factory and what energy is used in that factory, can tremendously impact your calculations and the final results. And probably before today, the way you would go about it would involve lots of Excel, spreadsheets, back and forth with your suppliers, so it would be a very manual job. And what we're trying to do is really to help you automate this. With our new factories view, we want to help you manage, compare, and update your factories. So when you first arrive in this page, you would see all the factories that Carbonfact has ever detected when looking at your data. So for example here, we have a supplier Y that owns a factory in Turkey. And by default, we would assume that, for example, the electricity would come entirely from the Turkish grid. Let's say this information is not accurate. What you could do is very easily add, let's say for year 2024, the true energy source. So in this case, let's say that all the electricity comes from wind. So let's add a 50 kilowatt hour bill. Actually, we know even better, it's not just wind, it's wind and solar. So let's say it's split 50-50. Let's add another bill for 50 kilowatt hours. There you go. And as you can see, this information is immediately updated. And even better, it flows straight into the LCAs of all products that have been manufactured in this factory. So this feature truly showcases like Carbonfact's strength, which is LCA at scale on all your products, extremely accurate, extremely fast to better inform your decisions.